Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Welcome to our special journey today, where we're going to learn about one of Allah's most beautiful names. Are you ready to discover something amazing? Today we're exploring the name Al-Mueed. This is a very special name that teaches us wonderful things about Allah. Let's begin our adventure together and see what this beautiful name means. Al-Mueed is one of Allah's 99 beautiful names. It means the restorer or the one who brings things back. Allah has the power to bring things back to how they were, or even make them better than before. Isn't that amazing? When something seems gone or lost, Allah can restore it. This beautiful name shows us how powerful and caring Allah is. Let's look at our first example that you see every year. Think about winter when everything looks cold and bare. The trees have no leaves, flowers are gone, and it feels like nature is sleeping. But then what happens? Allah brings back the beautiful spring. Suddenly, flowers bloom again in bright colors. Trees grow fresh green leaves. Birds sing happy songs. This is Allah being Al-Mueed, restoring the beauty of nature after winter. Here's another example you experience every single day. When night comes and the sky gets dark, the sun disappears. Everything becomes quiet and we go to sleep. But do you know what happens every morning? Allah brings back the sun. It rises over the horizon, filling the world with light and warmth again. Day after day, Allah restores the daylight. This daily miracle shows us that Allah is truly Al-Mueed. Now let's think about something very personal to you. Sometimes you might feel sad or maybe you get sick. When you're sad, it feels like your happiness is gone. When you're sick, you feel weak and tired. But then what happens? Allah can bring back your smile and your health. You start feeling better, laughing with your friends again, playing your favorite games. This is Allah restoring your joy and wellness because He is Al-Mueed. Knowing that Allah is Al-Mueed gives us something very important: hope. When things are difficult, we remember that Allah can bring back better times. If we make a mistake, Allah gives us new chances to improve. When we feel down, we know happiness can return. We should never give up or lose hope, because Allah can restore and renew everything in our lives. This beautiful name reminds us to always stay positive. So remember, dear children, Al-Mueed means Allah brings things back and restores them. When you see the seasons change, when you watch the sunrise each morning, or when you feel better after being sad, remember this beautiful name. Allah is always there, restoring and renewing the world around us. Keep learning about Allah's beautiful names because each one teaches us something wonderful. May Allah bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.